Right, so I've printed some SLA slip rings out of clear resin, and the one that's in there I've been polishing it. So I'm just going to do a quick test run. I've put a bit of the silicone lubricant in there, so we'll see how it runs. Okay, sounds solid. Sounds a bit more secure. Ooh, nice and clean. Okay, let's see if that lasts or if it's going to grind to a halt. Don't mind it tapping on the sides for the time being, because it should hopefully wear it in or wear it out. It's the only way of finding out whether these are any good. Still picking up speed. Definitely need to get some air blown through from the bottom to create some lift and some aerodynamics inside the ball, hopefully. Yeah, that sounds a bit dodgy. Let's see how long it takes to slow down. Switch it all off. I think it might have still picked up a bit of speed there, but it was making me nervous, if I'm honest. See if I can pick up the vibration with the magnet. It's just one of those weird side effects that I can feel it a little bit now, but as it slows down, it sometimes seems to get stronger. I can feel it about 2 feet away from the core at this point. It's vibrating quite a lot, this magnet right now in my hand. Not violently, obviously, it's like it's picking up on the spinning signal of the magnet in the middle. Make sure the power's off. So I'm getting nothing from the amplifier right now. All this vibration I'm feeling in my hand is from that spinning magnet there. I don't know if you can see that. That's it, stopped.